Alright guys.
So this is what we're using to hold the metal in place. They're Clecos. So Wes used these in the aircraft industry. So it comes with a set of pliers that you use. Whenever you compress them, that part right there, essentially the best way to put it is it gets smaller. And then once you release the pliers, it expands and then holds whatever metal that we're trying to hold up there. So that's what we're using to hold that in, and then in that way able to put the rivets in and then just take these out. And then now, so all those Clecos are out right now, everything's in place. Just remount the holes, because these are, what are these, 3/8?
Those are 3/16.
3/16.
Yep. And this is a 1/4 inch up for the size of rivets you have.
So we have to remount the holes to make them big enough for the rivets.
Yep. So those basically just hold everything in place real well.
Very, very well.
Big holes.
There is the transition.
Almost completed.
I guess that other side does need to come up so you can...
Yeah, I need to grind off the tar, the sticky crap they stick the insulation to from the factory.
But this is the first time it came together.
Yeah, first time both. It's just going to come up for about 2 minutes though.
Alright, I'll be timing you.
Come back down. Okay, maybe 4 minutes. Everything seems like it's twice the time.
Doing the primer.
Alright guys, we got the transition primed. What this is, basically it sticks to bare metal really good. So any of the bare metal spots that I had, you know, along the welds and everything, this stuff adheres to really well. And what it also does is it allows for the body filler, or the Bondo or mud, whatever you want to call it. Helps it adhere to this very good. So tomorrow I'll be able to come up here and just do a light sanding on this stuff and start applying the body filler to it and smooth up all these seams and the little waves and whatnot that this has in it. just from the welding process. It tends to warp steel. So anyway, yeah, we got it primed, and tomorrow I'll start some body work. These guys got like 14 people right now.
Hey everybody!
I don't know if they can see us or not, but
Yeah, I can see a hand moving. Just jamming out to some 9-inch nails.
yes, sir. What do you think? Transition looks good, right?
Yeah, looks professional. Hey phone. It fell. It's a pretty cool angle. See? Oh, we got a thumbs up for the fall.
Sorry for dropping it on the ground, guys.